Good morning. Another portfolio update with M1 Finance. Obviously, the market is going up, which is great. Uh, so maybe things are reversing, and it's a great time to invest. I mean, obviously, a great time was to invest when it was. I'm not a financial advisor, but maybe when it was, lower. When we were going through a lot of stuff when the market was down. But I mean, they say the best time to do something is now. So obviously, the earlier you get in, the better. But for me, this is my crypto journey, my stock investing journey, and this is how this is how I do. So I'm just gonna go. We'll probably check out the dividends for this week. Because I don't remember when the last time I made a video, but we'll check the dividends for the week for each account and just see how I'm doing. Like I said, I was not at this point before. It wasn't like I just magically had this balance. No, I just kept putting money in and in and in. I mean, for years I really didn't like take a look at it. I might have peaked, but I didn't like really put in any notions of looking or But over time, it just started growing, and I see the potential. And I'm putting more money in, and I'm trying to increase that. Because obviously with the dividends, it could become a great thing. It could become an excellent thing with dividends coming in, and my goal is obviously to retire. So that that's the whole main reason of getting into this, the stock market. So I actually so getting into I'm into real estate already, but I was with an inspector. We were checking out the house, and um, we're gonna buy it obviously, and rent it out. But he has over 174 properties. He says 174 properties, but yeah, he's still working. So obviously, there's he has a lot of expenses, I guess. So there isn't enough money coming in for him to actually retire. So this shows you the real estate game is not always simple. And the fact is, he doesn't have like all the units in one spot. He has them in various locations. Maybe he has a few multi units, but they're like, you know, the most is 30. He said. So just think about that. Having all those units, and he's still not retired. So I mean, obviously, my plan before a long time ago was, oh yeah, to own so much real estate, but it's not always easy because, like he was telling me, it's hard to find quality property management company, quality handyman, and prices gone up, and so everything looks simple before you get into it, but once you get into it, it's very difficult. And for me, this is why I'm just telling you this, because this is why I'm doing the stocks, because only thing that you really concern yourself with is probably is the market up or down. Obviously you can be worried about if a company is gonna close, but I mean, if you're picking good companies, you know, you're most likely not gonna have that problem. If you're picking good companies, but if you're not, then then you might have issues. You know, then you might have to worry about a company shutting down. And this is why I just stocks are just so simple to do. As long as you're not trading. If you're trading, you're risking, you're gambling. But I'm just buying for a long term. and I just count dividends help me earn more money, to buy more. So what I'm gonna do is go through, let me see, from Tuesday. I think I made a video on Monday, I believe. So I'll have it from Tuesday to now, so which is from Tuesday, I believe, was the 9th. And we'll see what I got. So American Express $4.41, Apple $2.07, Nucor $6.32. I mean, not bad. So Friday at 9:30 a.m. This money's going back into my account and going to compound for me. So it's about maybe $12 to $13, and then we'll look at the other accounts and see. It's just all using money that I'm earning from owning shares of the company, and then using my own money to keep building my account. And so it's kind of like double compounding if you look at it, because I'm using dividends and then my own money to compound, and and that's such a great thing. Okay, so these are exchange traded funds. It's probably for my monthly dividend portfolio, I believe. Yep. So look, 167, 176, 168, 289. So about $10 on this. It's not bad. And then we'll go to this account. I mean, I'm not showing you to show off. I'm just showing you to show you what's possible if you start early and you keep doing it. I have people I mentioned this to, and they still don't get it. They don't understand it. And yet they can buy other stuff, buy sneakers, but buying stock, no. So this account, no dividends for this week. I mean, let me see when's the last time I received a dividend. Let's see. So last time was August 5. And not every week I receive dividends from every account, but maybe next week I'll probably have something. So as you can see, all these I get dividends from time to time. Let's just check out. We only have 2 more accounts to go. So I really want to focus on dividends. It's just like that's what got me excited, and that really out of everything, that's what got me excited. The dividends, because I'm getting paid from companies that I own. I might own micro shares, but I still own the shares. So 1 second, I'm trying to get into put this on 809 2022. Okay. Oh, dividends. So we'll mark this. All right. So no dividends here either. Let me see when's the last time. And this is August 5 also. Obviously, I have fractional shares. That's why you see some smaller amounts. Over here it's fractional shares, but it's okay. I'm okay with that. And for the last account, we'll see if I earn anything. So far, I think I'm at like $22, $23, I believe, in dividends. I think right now for from the Tuesday to now. You just put in these date ranges, and then we'll see where I'm at. But like I said, it's good to get paid, passive income, and I haven't been doing anything and that's the goal, passive income. All right, so this is the last one. it's 44 cents. Honestly, like I said, I have a lot of stocks and like pies. So that's why I love Amazon Finance. So I have fractional shares. And the fact is, some of these stocks I have, they pay small dividends. The dividends are not, very small, but I like MasterCard. I have MasterCard. I use MasterCard. And that's why I have, I have it. I feel like it's not going anywhere. It's a safe company, and that's why I chose it. So at the end of the day, everyone has to choose safe companies. Do your research that you think will last a long time, and that's the total goal. Find the great companies. I can't tell you what companies get into. You have to look it up. You have to do your research, but you find the great companies, you get into them, and then in the future they reward you. And you have ownership in these companies. So as you can see, total from all 5 accounts, you know, I'm back plus $1,465.37. This could disappear. It could go back down. It could go back up. But like I said, I'm just whatever it does, whatever it's gonna do to the market, I'm just gonna keep putting money in and keep it growing. So anyway, thank you for taking time to watch the channel, and we will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.